How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to talk about this nice trade we took on SPY today, kind of talk about how I found that level, and I'm going to talk about a futures trade that we took pre-market. But I have a big announcement before I say anything else. I will be releasing my 2023 trading plan this coming weekend on my Instagram and Twitter. It's going to be a simple PDF that has my rules, what strategies I'm using for 2023. This trading plan was created from me going through all my trading logs from last year and seeing what works the best. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check out my Instagram this weekend. It will be available this weekend only. Now let's get right into this trade. This 393.1 area was a level we was watching on SPY today. If you was in my Instagram live, you know this was the area we was looking for puts, right? 393.1 was going to be my first add. And if we pushed up to 393.7, I was going to add it to my position, which I never got that opportunity. Now let's go to the lower time frame here so we can get a better picture. So we came up, we touched this level, we entered puts here. Caught this out inside Team Bull. When I did enter, we caught puts here, and we caught this nice move down here. My first trim was nearly at the bottom of this candle here. Then I stopped out the rest of my contracts in profit once we pulled back up. I probably would have held this longer, but I was trading same day expiration. I typically trade the next day out. Now let's take a look at this trade we had on the futures pre-market. And if you're interested in trading futures pre-market, please check out my most previous video. I'll leave it in the description for you all. So this trade was on ES. As you can see there, the ticker. We simply was waiting on a push up to this 3955, which was a resistance. Come up. I did not see a huge increase in volume, which is what I really like when I go to take a resistance. I don't like to see a huge increase in buying volume right when I'm trying to short. If that makes sense. But we took this. I took like a quick 2 something scalp on this. Nothing crazy. My stop loss was above 3957. Yes, if I'd have held this, it would have been a much bigger trade for me. But I do prefer to scalp pre-market. And that's all I have for y'all today. Very simple stuff. I like to keep my trading simple. I hope you all are making some money trading live with me pre-market or inside Team Bull. I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.